Hey guys, Amanda here from Self Spend Travel, and I'm coming to you today with a what sold video for the unboxings that we did in April 2021. We only did two that we posted to YouTube, and they were both bulk boxes. So I thought that this would be a great way to give our viewers a way to see the amount that we actually truly made and not just us saying, oh, I think I'm going to make $30 off of this or $20 off of this. I wanted to be able to show you real numbers after cost of goods, after shipping, after the fees from the different platforms. So I just thought this would be a great way to share that information with you. I did another video like this last month, and it was for the March unboxing. So if you didn't watch that and you think this information is interesting, I'll make sure to link it at the end of this video, and I'll put a link in the description too, so that you can watch that one also if you're interested. So we'll get started right away here, and I wanted to kind of go back and recap the 3 boxes that I did for that other video because we've sold a few other things out of there, and I just wanted to update the totals. So the first unboxing that we had up on YouTube was for the bulk furniture and decor case, and everything that's highlighted in green was stuff that I went over in the previous video. But we also sold another $10 worth of items out of that box, and I sold those locally on Facebook Marketplace. So that brought that total up to $106.21. So we're at $30 of profit on that box so far, net profit, because our total on the box is 106.21 so far, and then subtract out the cost of goods there of 77.25. So that's how I got that number. Then the next box that I did on the last video was a bulk Target shoes box, and we've sold all but one pair of shoes out of that box now. We sold the Mad Love Cassandra leopard boar canvas sneakers, and those sold for $21.77. So after shipping everything, we made $10.61. And then we sold the women's Winona wide width ankle strap shoes. Those sold on Poshmark, and they sold for $12. So our earnings were $9.05 after shipping. And then next we sold the A New Day women's Emma high block heel pumps. They were size 8.5. They sold for $22. So we made $17.60 off of that sale. So that brought this total to $170.85. So if you take that number, subtract out the $77.63, that puts us at about a $93 profit on that box so far, with one pair left to sell. So, and then next we had a bulk home goods, bath and bedding box that we unboxed. And I sold just a few more things out of there. They all sold on Facebook Marketplace. There was the 2 twisted paper rope baskets. I sold those for $4 a piece. And then the cheese slicer, and the cheese slicer had a broken slicer part that went with it. And so I just put that in a lot of kitchen type stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and it averaged out to $2 an item. So that's where I got that number. So that's another $10 for that box. So $70.61 is where we're at total there for profit, or total sales, and then deduct out of our cost of $67.98. So we're officially at about a $2 profit on that box so far. But there's still a few things left to sell out of it. So hopefully we'll make a little bit more money. I think that was the box that I might have said, why did I buy this box? I can't remember. But anyway, so hopefully we'll squeeze a few more bucks out of that one and be able to make a better profit. So then next we're into the bulk general merchandise, bath and body assorted apparel. And this was actually mostly shoes. And what I thought was interesting about this box is that this was higher end name brand shoes than just Target brand. And my average price per item on this was $7.44, which was higher than the Target brand shoebox. And honestly, our profit on this box is not any better than the Target box, really. We still have a few pair left out of this, but overall, I'm not sure that paying $7 or $8 per pair for a pair of shoes is the right thing for me to do when I can sell the Target branded shoes, buy the box generally at a cheaper price. However, lately Bulk has really been going up on their prices on shoes. I'm not exactly sure what's going on there with that, but hopefully it'll get all worked out and figured out, and prices will be back at a more manageable place where it's worthwhile to actually purchase those. But so for this box so far, we're at a profit of $196.41 minus the cost of the box, which is $133.90. So we're at about a $63 profit there, give or take a few cents. So right out of the gate, we sold the Sugar Women's Zoel Black Boots, and those sold on Poshmark, and they sold for $28. So we made $22.40 off of those. And then next we sold these Esprit Francis flat slide sandals. They were a size 7, and they sold, sorry, flip back too fast. They sold for $23.82 with a profit of $10.46 after shipping. So, and then next we have the Thalia Sodi. Sorry, my cats are playing behind me here. We have Thalia Sodi Mass and Gold Wedge sandals. These were a size 5.5 with an ankle strap. I wasn't sure if these were going to sell very quickly because normally size 5.5 women's shoes kind of sit for a while with me, but these sold fairly quickly. They sold for $20. I accepted a best offer on these. After shipping and everything, we made $9.60 off of those. And then next was a pair of Anne Klein Sport women's peep toe wedge shoes. These were also a smaller size. These were a size 5. Again, I was surprised to see these sell. They sold on Poshmark, and we made $14.40 off of those. And then next was this pair of Tommy Hilfiger women's thong sandals. They were size 8.5. I made sure with all of these shoes, because a lot of them did not have a box, a lot of them did not have tags. So I made sure to put in my condition notes that they were new and unworn, but they don't come with the original box or tags. And I always try to make sure I do that so that the buyers know exactly what they're getting, because I don't want to mislead anybody. I don't want to deal with returns. I know that you guys probably don't want to deal with returns either. And the main goal of this stuff is to get it sold, make your money so you can buy more stuff to list. So I accepted a best offer on these for $20. So that for those, we made $9.11. They actually shipped first class because they were so lightweight. And then next we have women's ankle booty size 12. And I didn't realize these were a size 12 when I was doing the unboxing. And then later on, when I was going back to take the pictures to get everything listed, I saw that they were 12s. And so actually was kind of excited about that because I don't get larger size shoes very often. And when I do, they usually tend to sell fairly quickly. So these sold on Poshmark, and they sold for $23. We offered a shipping discount there, and our earnings were $15.94 from Poshmark there. So then next we have on eBay, it was the Food Saver vacuum seal customizable bag rolls. And these sold really, really quickly. I think these might have been the first thing that sold out of the box. And they sold for $21.77. The thing was, though, is we're in Virginia, and they sold to somebody in California, and they weighed almost 2 pounds. So after shipping and fees, we made $6.11 off of those. So, but either way, $6.11 is $6.11, especially when it's off of an open box of uh, these bags, these Food Saver bags. So I was okay with that. So then next we have, this was a sale on Mercari. We sold the Rampage women's heeled sandals. They were size 8.5. They sold for $20, and we do offer free shipping generally on Mercari. So our profit off of those shoes was $9.13. And then next we sold these Sam Edelman women's stiletto pumps. They were a size 10. These also sold fairly quickly, and they sold for $40 on Poshmark. And so our earnings were $32 off of those. And then next, we have these BZ's Niche size 10 gray stretch fabric slip-on comfort shoes is how I listed them. Excuse me. These sold for $26.22. After shipping and fees, these we made $10.34 off of those. And I believe I was able to ship those in a priority flat rate padded envelope. So that helped with the shipping on that. And then next we sold the Carlos by Carlos Santana women's wedge sandals. Those sold on eBay. And these were size 7.5, and they sold for $29.77. And after all the fees and everything, it was $16.95 net profit for us. And then next, we sold the Nintendo Girls Yoshi t-shirt. And I was surprised actually that this sold as quickly as it did, but this was one of the first items that sold out of the box. It sold on Mercari for $12. We offer free shipping. So after all that, we made $6.50. And then next was the seamless wire-free performance sports bra. This sold on eBay, and it actually sold fairly quickly also, and it sold for $19.82. And our profit off of that was $13.47. So, and then also after I did the unboxing, I realized that I was missing shoes that I was supposed to have that were on the manifest. So I reached out to BULQ. I sent them an email. I actually sent them the link to the video of the unboxing that we did for this box, and sent them all the LP numbers and a list of what was missing, and they gave me a refund of $20. So I added that in here too. So I put my net profit at $196.41 so far on this box. You take out the $133.90, and so that leaves about a $63 profit. So then the only other unboxing that we did on YouTube in April was for this BULQ home and garden box. And this was the box that I ordered, and I said that it had stuff in it that we were going to use ourselves. And so I wanted to see if I could sell the other items off to make back the cost of the box so that we would ultimately get these items for free. So if it's highlighted in blue, those are items that we kept for ourselves for whatever reason. If it's in red, it means that it was damaged and not resellable or not usable. So far, we've only sold one item out of this box, and it was the purse. It was a big, nice purse. I don't know if you remember it or not, but it was the VR NYC satchel handbag, and it sold on Mercari for $21. I believe I accepted an offer on that, and it was just because I wasn't getting a lot of interest in it, and I was actually kind of surprised by that, but I wanted to go ahead and get it out the door. So I accepted the offer. After fees and the shipping cost on it, we made $10 even. So far we're at $10 less, or $63.57 minus the $10. So we still have $53.57 to just break even on this case. There are still a few items left from that box that I have listed. So hopefully those will sell and will get me at least closer to the 63.57. I don't have high hopes at this point, but I'm going to try to stay positive. So those are the only two unboxings that we did in April. So I just wanted to give you an update there on what has sold. And so only a few items left from each box, and hopefully by the next video that I do like this, I will be able to come back and say everything is sold. I don't know if that will happen, but I'm going to stay positive. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please, of course, make sure to leave them below. And also make sure to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Ring the bell notification. That will also give you or send you a notification whenever we upload a new video. We've had a busy summer so far, so we've been trying to get some unboxing videos done, getting listings done. We've done some traveling. My stepson just came home from Korea. He's in the Army, so we went to go see him, and so we were excited about being able to see him, and he'll be home later this summer. So we're just kind of all over the place, so we'll have more travel videos, more slot videos, more reselling videos coming down the pipe. So again, thanks guys for watching. You all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!